tried this before. It's called survival mode.
I told you I'm gonna hit you.
I hit it.
When you're starting in the lunch break, I'm going to put out some blue bags. Those are deposed out on the field. Do not go in the field and scout in the lunch break after these bags to see where they are and what's inside them. That's a surprise. Then after the lunch break, we are going from safe south into the church. Look down on your feet when you're walking and don't scout the field to get information about where blue bags can be.